Good morning, this is Fiorella Jose from anyhousecleaning.com. This is a house that needs a deep scrubbing carpets. And not only is the dirt, but also some poo stains, organic stain for the dog pee. This is organic stain for the dog. This is too narrow. This is the reason why we removed the chair that was here, the night table, the little stairs for the dog. This is the night table and the chair, big chair that was in the room. We are gonna vacuum, and he's gonna move he's gonna move the bed so we have a space to work and scrub really well the carpet and remove the stains. This is one area. He's bringing our vapor steamer. He's gonna put some water. This is the other room. It's more open, this room, and he's gonna open the suitcase to remove the vapor steamer. We're gonna use the vapor steamer because we have to remove some organic stains right here. That is a stick already into the carpet. Okay, we moved the bed. The bed is really heavy, but I'm gonna tell you the secret, okay? The secret is we bought these sliders, okay? And we put some sliders beneath over there, and it will slide easier and not that heavy for our backs. So the condition is like this. We're gonna bring our vacuum to vacuum the. If you already watch our videos, you are familiar with this new filter. This is the way that we pull the pads and show the client how much soil the carpets grab. We also bring our backpack vacuum. He's gonna vacuum the edges and the big pieces so we don't ruin our vacuum. Well, I'm using a towel because I want to do a transfer. The stain is gonna be transferring to the towel. You see the towel? Now we are vacuuming the carpet to remove the dry soil. We have two vacuums. They are the same, and two filters. So depending on what kind of house, we bring the vacuums. I'll tell you the beauty of this machine, okay? It has the cleaning product here, a pump, the sprayer, inboard sprayer. That was the stain that we are working. The product is spraying for here. We have the pad that we scrub the carpet. We turn on. We spray. We changed the pad and we are putting the white pad Gladiator. Looks now like this. So we are drying extraction. I already changed the pad. I put a new white pad. Just track more and dry faster the carpet. Looks good. Now we move the bed. It's dry in that area and we need to clean this area. We already cleaned the corner and this. So we are spraying right now. This is a traffic area and we are gonna scrub. I changed 2 pads. This is our 3rd pad. Some blowers. So far so good. Now we are in another room and I'm bringing my CRV. Already remove all the things inside the bathroom, so we have a space to scrub all the area. High traffic area. We already, he's spraying the product. I'm scrubbing. You can see a big difference. We're gonna dry with the phonics. We're putting more blowers to dry this area. using a white pad to dry this area of the carpet. Two blowers, all the green pads. Amazing. 10 white. Gladiator's pad, really dirty. He already put in the bag. I have to take it out just to show you. Maybe I will do the bath so you can see how many dirt. 2 areas, one worse than another one. This taco dust is really big, thick. 2 areas, a lot of dust on the carpet. That one was a little bit, but that one is really thick. Taco dust from the carpet. We are still in our client's house, and they ordered for us an excellent meat. Oh, onion rings, and for Jose too. This is good. We feel appreciated. We feel love.